We picked up Johnny's Hardpan Broadfork for our clay soil for $240 plus shipping. It's a lot of money. Calculated that's wheelbarrow, couple shovels, some buckets, whole lot of seeds. Was it worth it? The Broadfork comes in two boxes, which arrive together and quite quickly. The first part holds the handles and can be reordered separately if you manage to break one of them. And the second box has the actual head of the Broadfork. And of course, some assembly is required. So make sure you don't miss any videos, like and subscribe and hit that bell icon, and we'll talk about this Broadfork. To put the Broadfork together, you'll need the two wooden wedges that came with the handles and a hammer and cutting tool. You'll also need two wrenches or a wrench and a pliers. So first we're going to remove the screw and washers. Then one handle at a time, we're going to slide them in so that the hole here lines up with the hole in the metal. Then we insert the screw and the screw back in without tightening. Then once it's in all the way, we insert the wedge here into this section using our hammer as far as it will go.
How's that work if it's already inside the thing?
Because when this is in, it'll be in about this far, and then this comes in and it'll go in, say, this far.
Okay.
And what that does is
There's a hole at the other side?
it widens the bottom here so that the handle doesn't move while you're using the Broadfork.
Okay.
Then after it's gone in about this far and it's done, use the sharp knife, score the wood, and then hit it again gently with the hammer until the extra bits fall off. And then we repeat the process with the other side. And then we also, of course, actually tighten the bolt. So let's get started. Now that we've filled it, one thing to make sure we don't forget is the maintenance of the Broadfork. So it says to keep it in good condition, clean it after each use, brush the dirt off the tines with a wire brush, and wipe with a slightly oiled cloth to minimize rust. That we can take care of that. Apply linseed oil to the handles once each season just before storing the tool for the winter. We garden year-round, I guess we'll do that once or twice a year. The tines are made of a steel that will bend without breaking when overloaded. They can be easily returned to their original positions by using a large vise or using a length of pipe over the tine for extra leverage. And hopefully it won't come to that. We're very glad we got Johnny's Hardpan Broadfork. The land we're trying it out on is raw and is super compacted and has big rocks buried in the dirt.
Wow.
We really like our Broadfork. It's taken everything we've thrown at it and kept on going. It's really made this whole process enjoyable to break up the land and turn it from raw, hard-packed dirt into something we can actually use.